The northern parula, a small treetop warbler, has a buzzy trill that speeds up and often has an abrupt, ascending final note. Shri, 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 yup. The cadence of the song of the yellow-throated warbler is distinctive. Its whistled phrases start out slow and then speed up like the sound of someone dribbling a basketball closer and closer to the ground. Often there is a final note that rises at the end. The pine warbler has a lazy trill that is delivered at a constant speed. The blue-gray gnatcatcher has a lispy, high-pitched ZZ call note